Hey there everybody, welcome back to a new video log. I've been a little bit busy, as you can maybe see, not very busy, but I've been doing bits and pieces, including starting to get some materials over from the steel factory, coming over here into where we're going to be making all the motors. I've just made up the size of this. I don't know if it's right. Yeah, that's what we're going to go with for now, and hopefully it works, because I've just done all the belts and they're coming in. I've been doing some upgrading of like miners and all sorts of things in there, so we can increase the output eventually. This is really painfully slow production. They only make 20 of these a minute. That's enough for one round of machines in here, so we're going to get up that. But even then, this belt is 60 a minute, so you know that's more than enough. I don't think I'm going to get to that sort of rate of production, but I have got, you know, I've been messing with making a nice sturdy conveyor lift thingy here. So everything's here now. Still haven't quite figured out the height of the steps problem yet. We'll get there. Oh, and I decided, yeah, I like this. So I changed this from being railings to like a covered thing. Makes me feel a bit safer, because I actually really like this little like passageway thing. That's cool. But this is nice. You might have to bang your head on the glass. But yeah, I'm gonna get some machines down in this room and build up this building, I guess. And probably have to get some more supports underneath this. Don't want to jump around and put nothing too heavy on it, you know. So I'm gonna do that. I just thought I'd, you know, say hello and sort of refresh where we were and where we are. Now I'm going to crack on and get back to you once this is all finished, probably, because it's going to take a lot of messing about. We've got to get these in, we've got to get those in, I'm going to have to bring some motors over for now, because I'm not shipping them over like that. So we're going to need, like, I don't know, some sort of storage here. Something maybe we could build. Yeah, like a big storage centre. For now, that might be the best way until we know some better way for things to get in here, because there's way too far for motors to come over from the top of that building. I never really intended to be building so much over here, but didn't really have a choice. Well, I know I said I'd like finish before I came back, but you know, it's working. It's doing a thing. There's lots of noise and lots of things going everywhere, but yeah, we're making stators, I believe. Yeah, what these are, stators. And well, yeah, they're going. It's working at 100% at the moment. How long it can do that for, I don't know, but it can at least make a good load at full speed before we even have to think about upping the input from somewhere else and all sorts of nonsense, because there's lots we can do to get more through if this isn't enough. I don't really know how many of these we're going to need. Obviously I need to work on these special parts for the project, so that is one of the goals for this log, you know, before I sign off and say I'm done for now. That's important. I've got to get that done. We're gonna start getting some more stuff going. But yeah, it just looks cool. I'm just loving this thing, and I don't know, maybe it's not the most efficient way, but it definitely works for space. It means I can move around nice and easily. I've only got one set of belts on the floor to work with. I mean, ideally, I guess we'd have 2 lots of this. That one would be further out or something. I don't know. We could do other things like this. I think they'd hit each other though, probably. I don't know. Maybe I could have an experiment at some point with one going in and one going out. That would look quite good, I reckon. But for now, yeah, that's working, and I think we're going to have to make the building even bigger, because this does not look like enough room unless we're just going to do these things again and ram them up against the side. I don't know. Do I care if the building's bigger? Well, we'll see how much space I need over here for the next part, I guess. Where we're going to make the actual motors. We might put 2 assemblers in, I guess. I don't know if I've got room for 2. But, well, we'll find out. Well, it's all building up on this bit now. That's because this isn't actually connected to go anywhere properly. But they're in. And they're you know, well, at least they're going somewhere. And I've got this. It's messy. It's messy though. I don't like it. But it's not messy as well at the same time. It'll do. So these are the 2. We've got 2 assemblers here that are going to be making motors. So they need the stators. That's what these are, yeah? Yep. These are what they are. And then we're putting some into storage as well, because, well, I think that's important to have some stored up for other things, especially like for the fancy stuff. But we need to get this going. So I've got to put some, what are they called? Rotors? No, that's wrong thing. Yeah, rotors that are in the other building. I'm going to go like get a whole inventory full of them, put them up there, and then get some power on this, and that will be going away. And we've got nice, huge storage to put those in. I'm going to fix this bit of floor. Yeah, let's go pick up some inventory, I guess. I guess I could make like a chest, take up a box. What is it called? A personal storage box. There we go. One of those. Put up there. Put everything in. Oh, or we could just hit that button. Oh, we need another one. Right. Oh, I don't have iron plates because I've just put them away. There we go. Store all that. I'm going to fill up my whole inventory with rotors, put them in there, get this wired up, and get some walls built. And I have started, but we'll have a look at probably the building once I've got that going. Yeah, right. But it's probably going to take me ages to finish the whole thing, but you know, ranking a mo. Right, you might be able to tell I've been a bit busy, and I thought this was a really great view from up here, especially when you got a bit of the fog. Look at the size of this place. I mean, that's just ridiculous. All that does is make motors, and it's massive. It doesn't even make them that fast. So yeah, we're going to go and have a quick look around, and I'll give you a tour of it. And, you know, hopefully you think it's as cool as I do. I really like this. This is, yeah, I really like this whole area is really looking really good. Now let's come back a little bit and I'll show you. Just look at that. The whole thing is just sprawling with like just different shapes and yeah, and so much stuff. Yeah, I was up here because I've been setting things up, and you might be able to tell I've done all of those advanced wiring thingies for the big project. So oh, there goes the tractor. that bit's done, and we're nearly there with this framework thingies. What are they all called? Let me check the system again. So, automated wiring. That's the things that are done, and the versatile framework are nearly done. I've been making those. Well, I was making those in the last vlog that I sent out, wasn't I? So here is. Well, we've seen this bit. This is the second copper mine, and the ridiculous wire factory that just pours out 120 wires a minute. We've been in here as well, and we can see the conveyor coming over from the steel factory, and this is kind of getting a bit sort of useless where it is now. That tower, we'll leave it there anyway. And here's the new building. Let's come down here. I like this. We need some decorations and things in. I don't think Ada would be too happy with that. Can I have a plant pot? Like, that would be cool. Would be good for employee, like, mental stability and things. I don't know. Yeah, plant pot. That'd be nice. It's almost as important as the coffee. I've been trying to make sure I leave some space for a workshop and a crafting bench and everywhere. I keep needing them, and if there's one in most buildings, then there's always one around. We've got an exit here. It doesn't really go anywhere other than, well, the beach, I guess. But I did the whole design and didn't have any doors on it, and that was bad. And as you can see, we're making motors. Motors are being made. How many motors have I made while I've been building? Wow, that's a lot. Okay. Yep, motors. Motors are in action. We've got the input up here for the rotors. We've got output of stators down here, filled out with like grass, just because I don't want to do the whole thing. Because this is not making stators very fast, so it's not really making motors very fast. If I stand here long enough, these will flick yellow for a bit. I don't know why I decided to do this low sloping roof. I think because this came out and this was low, and I thought, well, we don't really need a whole extra bit or too much, and yeah, so this was made. I don't quite like it. I think it makes it quite different. This building is really hard to get around though. It's very, very squished in. Not really in the spirit of the main building at all. And then we've got an exit here. Just out into the nowhere. So let's have we can have a walk around. We've seen the big wavy bit at the top. Showed you that last time. And look at those trees. Here we've got the walkway on top of the big concrete pieces. And then this well, I guess we'd call it a floating building. But it's not, because it's got all these legs on it. But I mean, look, you can't even, from here, it's just nothing. It's gone. It's really weird to look at from here. And then you can come over here and have a look. And yeah, I mean, look at that. That looks cool, doesn't it? I like it. Anyway, I think it's probably time to go and see if these versatile frameworks are ready. They were almost done. All 1,000 of them. So maybe they will be actually finished now. Wow. It's like a zoo down here. Right, back inside the steel factory, and we've got this hijacked temporary setup for making the versatile frameworks. That was the original one. We're putting them all in here. Doesn't look like it's quite done yet. Must be close. Let's come and see. There's nothing here. Nothing on there. Okay, so it must be very close. And this says 21 of these are left. So, oh, we're not getting enough steel beams in. Let's bolster that a bit. Right. Well, we'll just have to wait a little bit, I guess, until it's done. Maybe time for a coffee, and don't know. Take a look at the view. Wow. Now, that's a view. New building. Awesome stars. I think they're all done. That could be 1,000 there. That's, yeah. 250, 500, 750. Yeah, that's 1,000. Have I got room to carry all of that? That's the question. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. No, I don't. I'll have to find somewhere to put some stuff down for a bit. But yeah, we'll do that in a minute, I guess. Put this all back together again before taking that all round. Because, well, it'd be good to get my construction back to how it should be. Don't need that one anymore. Oh, no. And just... how fast is this? Pretty slow. Okay. Go in there. That one in there. And this needs to go back to being these. And hopefully that'll... happy. We haven't got a good stockpile of those yet, but we're close. Right, I'm going to find somewhere to store some stuff, and we'll go, well, complete phase 2. That's going to be exciting. See what happens next. Right, we're here at the ridiculously large space elevator. I mean, space. It's an elevator into space. It's going to be large, and I've got a container here for dumping things into the space elevator, because you can't just like say, "Hey, take my stuff." You've got to feed it in. So let's put all of these in, and they're going to zoom in, but they are going to take a little bit, few minutes, I guess. Just 270 a minute. Yeah, about 4 minutes to put all of that in there. And we can watch that zoom up on the counter. So the other thing that I need to do is look at the milestones, because I don't think they're even all finished. So yep, we are in the right place. I'm actually getting a bit lost in this factory. That was not the intention. The idea was that it was going to be nice and easy to get through, but it's not. Right, Hypertubes. I mean, okay, I can do that, and some of that. I'll go get the rest of the other one. There's no reason that I haven't done this. I've just been too distracted with other things. That one. Have some of that as well, because I'm probably going to need it in a minute. Let's get this sent off as well. There we go. Let's go watch this one. We haven't done one for ages.
Milestone reached. By adding Hypertube entrances at both ends of Hypertubes, Pioneers can achieve two-way travel between locations. They are also % safer than jump pads. You dreamed of moving across factories like valued resources, such as rocks and water, and Fixit listened to your dreams. We watched them. We took extensive notes. Hypertubes. Because Fixit makes Pioneers' closely monitored dreams come true.
okay, like, thanks, but creepy. Okay, well that's everything that's available. So, I mean, we're in the right place because phase 2, yeah. Cool. So let's look at hypertubes while we wait. The stuff's nearly finished doing. Transport? Yeah, we've got transport. We've got hypertubes. They're not too bad to make. Entrance, a little bit more expensive. Support's nice and cheap. You know where I need these. I mean, obviously, we've got a massive bridge, and it might be cool to put a hypertube along the bridge. And I might consider that. Let's go up on the roof. Let's see. Obviously, there's lots of places which we could have them. Quick way to get over to the concrete would be good. We could have them to zoom all the way over to wherever the quartz factory or mining facility is. I don't know where that is, but that's a long way. But yeah, to get up into the steel factory, well, you can barely see it from here. That's where we need those. So, right, we're nearly done. Like 10 left. There it goes. Right, that is one fully loaded space elevator. Let's go get some. I don't know. What are they? Products? Components? Yes, components. That's the word we want. Let's go get them sent off. Right, let's get this sealed. That good? Oh, message first.
Welcome to the Project Assembly Pioneer Progress presentation.
Oh.
Congratulations, the Phase 2 project part shipment is now ready for delivery.
Yep.
On delivery, Phase 2 will be completed and the construction dock will be constructed.
Oh,
After completion of Phase 2, the technologies of Tiers 5 and 6 will become available in the hub. These might feel intimidating after your previous experience, but rest assured that you would not be here if you were entirely incompetent.
I'm not entirely
Highlights
incompetent.
are
Good.
oil production, railway transportation, the
Railway
jetpack, and many
transportation.
more.
That could be
Completing
good.
Phase 3 of Project Assembly is your next main objective. Just remember to focus on producing and delivering the project parts, and fix its
more.
faith in you will be strengthened.
Okay. Yep, I'm listening. Right. Let's send that up then. Is it gone? Oh. Oh. Off it goes. Oh, I kind of wish I was on the roof for this.
Phase 2 of Project Assembly completed. You have been performing more adequately under pressure and are closer than ever to saving the day. Perhaps you were the right choice for the job. Time
Of course
will
I was the
tell.
right job.
You will now enter Phase 3 of Project
choice
Assembly.
for the
Continue
job.
as you are, and there should be no issue. For humanity. For Fix It.
Oh, look at it. Wow. It's got moving bits on it now. Oh, here comes the thing. Or whatever that is. Back. Cool. Wow. So, yeah, I need lots more stuff. Wow, 2,500. That's going to take a lot of work. I think we're going to need different setup completely. But, well, let's go. I was going to go look at putting some hypertubes in, but that's silly. That's not what we need to do. What we need to do is look at what milestones, what we can unlock. Let's see. Tier 5. Right, I mean, jetpack could be good. I mean, I've got all of that. But wonder what the fuel you need for jetpack is. Could be interesting. Oh, we can probably make this as well. And that's a lot of stuff. Oh, that's a whole new set of problems there. Okay, yep. Ooh, truck. Truck. Ooh, just bigger truck. That'd be cool. I'm not sure we need a bigger one, but you know. Fluid packaging. Well, I guess that goes with the oil. Does that make sense? Oh yeah, we can't do that until we got the oil. And then more power. Okay. Okay, more power. Yep. And then what have we got over here? Industrial manufacturing. Oh, that's a big machine. Turns 3 or 4 parts. Okay, these are the things we need to make. And we got to get plastics all done. Let's look at the trains. What do we need? We can make trains. We can do this. Electric locomotive, freight car, railways, empty oh, there's a lot. Railway signalling. Oh, okay. I need fancy stuff. Oh, I need that to get that. Okay. Pipeline engineering. Oh, better pipes. We need better pipes. Better pipes need lots of plastic and rubber and things. Great. And I don't know what this is. I haven't even used the first one yet. Okay, but fine. Right. I have selected what I want. And I do not have all of that on me, but I can go get all of that. And I can start thinking about having trains. Oh yeah, lots of options. Alright, I'm gonna gather up some of those resources and go and have a play with some hypertubes for some basic getting around. Right, so the first place I was thinking would be really great for a hypertube is here. What can we make? Right, where is it? It's here. And kind of like oh, can it? No, can't stick to the wall. Do I need to? Oh, do I need the? Oh, I need this first. Okay. Could do with it stuck to the wall. That would be neat. Is that a thing? Can I? Okay. I need a shop. I'm gonna have to go back. Okay, good thing I checked the shop because, yeah, there are things. So we need this, and we need the other one as well. Otherwise, there's just no point. And I checked the sink before coming here, and there were 7 coupons, which is great. So now I've got 9. And I feel like I probably should be just getting some of this stuff now. I mean, I don't know if I need that, really. I quite like the pipelines I've got. Probably should have this. So that's, is that 4? And then what else do I need? I don't need any of that. Don't need any of that yet. We'll get that. What else is that? Tilted walls. Do I need tilted walls? I don't think I do. Still not bought a ladder yet. Probably should. Well, I don't know. Could save up, I guess, so that we can get these when they become available. And oh, not that. Oh, this we need like to buy as quick as possible once I can. But I think it's ages away. Just can't see how I can make any of that yet. So maybe I don't know. Maybe get that. And get that. Might be good to have. Is that 9? That is 9. Okay. Right. Let's go back again then. Right, let's Hypertubes again. This time with new stuff. Yeah, right, that's gonna go there. And then dunno. Why was I supposed to do that? Oh, this is all weird. Let's see. We can make it look like that. That's kind of cool. Then we need an entrance on the front. Oh, and that needs power. Great. Right, it's got power. Oh, and awesome. Yeah, I mean, we don't need it to just sort of drop down, yeah? That's fine. Just need a way up. Cool. I like that. That's handy. I guess we should. Can we have it go both ways? Does it work both ways? That's the thing. First question. Does it work both ways? Got some power on that now, so we can. Yeah, we can just. Whoa. That's dangerous. We can just like do this all day long. Oh, yeah. Right. Okay. No more running around stupid places to get in there. We need to put like one of these in the main base and things to go up lots of floors at once, I guess. Stop having all those stairs. Great. Alright, I'll stop playing with that. Let's Well, I need to collect some stuff to make this milestone done. And then we can take a peek at making trains. Just at the motor factory, picking up some motors, having like dropped everything else off. Couldn't quite fit these in my pocket, and on my way back I built a really long hypertube. So yeah, I haven't tried it out yet. Let's have a go. I'm guessing we have to jump. Oh yeah, little jump, and we can way. Well, maybe not the fastest one. It feels like we're nearly stopping at some points. It's pretty good. It's definitely faster than walking. Ooh. And I found a really good place in the factory for it. Near that. Look at that. We just come up in here. A little bit high for where we need to be right now, but you know, there's a path down. Right, here we go. Let's get these done. Second big red button of the day.
Milestone reached. Trains are excellent for efficiently moving vast quantities of parts. Train logistics can be made more precise and complex with tools found in the railway signaling milestone. I listen to all my pioneers, often when they're not even aware of it. So due to popular demand, I have added a motivational message. Choo-choo mother.
What the... Wow, that was uncalled for. But yeah, choo-choo. We can make trains. Where are trains? In transport? Awesome. Oh, I can't make trains. I can unlock trains. I can't actually make trains because I need plastics and things. Yeah. Okay. Well. So it won't be trains next. It will be more milestones. I'm gonna need to get some oil processing done, I guess. We need plastic, we need rubber. I guess that's fuel for the jetpack. We've got to find some oil. Well, I can get all that unlocked. That'll be fine. Oh, valves. Very fancy. Well, yeah. So I know what I'm doing next time, I guess. And that means that that better be the end of this log. Otherwise, I'm just gonna never stop. Everything's gone pink. Wow. Well, there's our newly upgraded space elevator with a construction ring on it. We've got the next tier of equipment and things unlocked to make, and well, we can look at making trains. We can't actually make trains, but you know, we can look at them, and we're gonna have to go find some oil and things like that. So I guess time to say goodbye, and thanks for watching. I will see you again pretty soon, I guess, because I'm just gonna crack on and get some more things done. Bye then.